Yo, what's up Mzansi peeps? Welcome to Mzansi Popular Rides and compliments to the new year. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak, the bakkie that gave a new meaning to what a bakkie should be. The next generation Ford Ranger Wildtrak promises to be better than its predecessor, and having test driven the car, I can confidently say that its rivals are in trouble. Welcome then everyone to the review of the 2023 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. You know what they say, munna kibaki. The new Ford Ranger is a proudly South African built product built at the Silverton plant in Pretoria. Before we get into the review, I just want to simply say thank you very much to everyone who have subscribed to the channel. We have reached the 1000 subscriber mark within less than 6 months. If you haven't yet done so, please be kind enough to subscribe to the channel and support local YouTube. It's the right thing to do. So, the Ford Ranger range kicks off with a 2-litre SIT based 4x2 model at 486,000 rands. And goes all the way to the range-topping 3-litre V6 4-wheel drive Wildtrak at 953,500. To keep the video short, we will focus only on the Wildtrak variants. The Wildtrak range consists of 3 variants, namely 2 2-litre bi-turbo engines, one being the 4x2 at 778,300 and the other being a 4x4 at 867,700. Over and above the 2-litre bi-turbo engines is the 3-litre V6 4-wheel drive at 953,500 as mentioned. Cost of ownership, warranty and service plan will be discussed towards the end of the video. I must say that I prefer the frozen white color on this particular car over the orange and grey colors that were at the dealership on that day. Interestingly, however, my partner thinks the grey looks better. Looks are subjective at the end of the day. Let us know which variant you prefer the most in the comment section below. So, underneath the hood lies a 3-litre turbo diesel V6 engine putting out 184 kilowatts of power and 600 Newton meters of torque. This engine is mated to the Ford 10-speed automatic gearbox. Just a quick fun fact, the outgoing Amarok 3-litre V6 engine was putting out 190 kilowatts of power and 580 Newton meters of torque. If you recall, the predecessor model had a tough time keeping up with the Amarok 3-litre V6 engine. In every drag race I saw, the Amarok would eat the Ranger for breakfast. Well, you know what they say, if you can't beat them, join them. Now Ford and Amarok share the same platform and of course also share this engine. This engine right here has the Hilux shaking. Toyota had to intervene with the Gazoo Racing Hilux. Things are about to get interesting. The 3-litre V6 variant features permanent all-wheel drive with an electromagnetic transfer case, whatever that is. The Ford Ranger features a redesigned front end. You have this massive C-shape smart LED headlights and LED fog lights. The vehicle features a massive grille to ensure that the beast lurking beneath can have sufficient cooling as and when needed. You have sufficient ground clearance for those off-road moments, but for most of the time, this vehicle will see tar road. When it comes to those off-road and camping moments, the Ford Ranger Wildtrak comes with what is called zone lighting, which allows you to see all around the car at night by illuminating all around it. There is also an additional space for a secondary battery for those camping 4x4 enthusiasts and multiple auxiliary inputs. The Ford Ranger features a clean side profile. The vehicle is equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels in gunmetal grey color. To improve the aesthetics of the vehicle can also be had with 20-inch alloy wheels. The door handles are color-coded. The vehicle features roof rails and gunmetal grey mirrors. The vehicle comes with 360-degree all-round cameras, which will definitely come in handy given the size of the thing. I like the black side vent with V6 written on it. Depending on the model you choose, this will either have V6 or bi-turbo written on it. So you're probably short and wondering how the hell are you going to get into the vehicle? Well, worry not, the vehicle features side steps just for your convenience. In my opinion, the side profile is more evolutionary than revolutionary compared to the predecessor model, which is not bad. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. The rear features full LED headlights and in the flash definitely looks better than its predecessor. I don't know, but this model definitely has something American about it. Oh, I forgot, this is an American truck. Access in and out of the load bay has been made easy through this lightweight tailgate. If you just want to jump into the back to load and offload stuff, Ford has incorporated side steps for ease of access. The vehicle features a tow bar and has a towing capacity of 3.5 tons braked and 750 kilograms unbraked. Trips to your favorite holiday destinations with your caravan or yacht will be a breeze. Oh, and did I mention, Ford Pass allows you to test the lighting system using only the app in conjunction with the car. The load bay of the Ford Ranger Wildtrak has been designed to allow you to use it as a workstation should you wish to. The vehicle is equipped with lamp pockets for your convenience. The vehicle also features an onboard inverter with 400 watts of available power. There are 2 power outlets at the rear. One of the outlets is definitely for the fridge and the obligatory drinks. As for the other one, we will see as we go. The vehicle can also be equipped with a roller shutter, which is an option which must definitely be chosen. Before we move on to the interior, let's look at what it's like to drive the Ford Ranger. I must say that Ford seems to have gone all out on this vehicle. Ride comfort has improved over the predecessor with seats offering a very comfortable drive. The vehicle feels like a luxury SUV rather than a bakkie. It's amazing how times have changed. The engine feels smoother and there appears to be better insulation in the cabin. The highlight, however, is what they have done with the safety tech. Adaptive cruise control, rollover mitigation, lane keep assist, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot assist and multiple airbags come as standard amongst other features. Oh, I see you put it in miles per hour. I'm like, what? We're still doing 56 and that's 100 right there. I must say that power delivery was quite seamless. A raw POV test drive video of this vehicle and the predecessor will be included in the link description below just in case you're interested.
For me, it's a
that's a flipping cool trick. Yeah, it is.
So I'm gonna switch off.
Yeah, switch it off. Oh, nice, man. Nice.
For me, it helps.
Yep, that was a magical gear shift to park just because you forgot to do it. The older you get, the more forgetful you become. I must say that the interior of the Ford Ranger Wildtrak is a game changer. The vehicle's dashboard is wrapped in leather where it matters most. There are ample amounts of storage compartments all around the cabin. Practicality and functionality is the main theme here. The highlight, however, is the massive 12-inch Sync 4 infotainment system on this application. This system is easy to use and well laid out. The infotainment system features Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capabilities for your favorite playlists on Spotify and YouTube Music on the go. The vehicle features state-of-the-art Bang & Olufsen sound system which sounds like this. I can only imagine I'm a piano playing. Different 4x4 modes can be selected through the rotary dial. The instrument cluster is fully digital and provides all vehicle information in high definition fashion. Oh look, that's real buttons on the steering wheel. Buttons for adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist and volume controls are accessible on the leather steering wheel. The vehicle features heated seats wrapped in leather with Wildtrak written on them, just for quality control purposes. At the rear passenger compartment, the theme at the front continues to the rear of the vehicle. The vehicle offers ample amounts of leg and headroom at the rear. However, being a bakkie, the seats feel somewhat upright. Long journeys could get a bit tiresome for some. Isofix anchor points make the vehicle safe for your toddlers. Rear passengers are treated to Type C and Type A USB ports, as well as a 3-point American style plug. The cabin is robust and gives the impression that Ford really took their time here. You have a French fries holder, wireless charging and Type C and A USB ports at the front. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak is phenomenal. All I can really say is
only money that I want.
we have now come to the end of the video, and it's now time to address the cost of ownership, warranty and service plan. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak 3-liter V6 retails for $953,500 as mentioned. Cost of ownership will therefore be $23,708 per month, with an installment of 18,641 Rand at an interest rate of 12% over a period of 72 months with no deposit. Fuel of 3,427, assuming that you will use 2 full tanks per month. And the insurance of 1,640 based on my profile. As standard, the vehicle comes with a 4-year or 120,000 kilometer warranty, whichever comes first. However, sadly, service plans are now optional. When it comes to service plan and warranty, I would definitely suggest that you buy the service plan with the vehicle or ensure that you service the vehicle at an approved RMI workshop. However, that's just my advice. You can do whatever it is you want to do with your money at the end of the day. Thank you very much for watching and for getting to the end of the video. If you haven't yet done so, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to the channel for more dope content like this. I can assure you that more content is definitely coming up on the channel.